In today's tech-driven world, staying active, connected, and productive is easier than ever with a wide range of gadgets and tools at our disposal. This review dives into 5 popular tech products across various categories, including fitness, home security, audio, and utility, to help you decide if they're the right fit for your needs. Hello, viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss about Tech Review 0, Smart Home Doorbell and Camera, USB microphone, cell phone stand, Bluetooth speaker, super universal socket tools. So, let's start the video. Number 1. Smart Home Doorbell and Camera. Smart home doorbells and cameras are rapidly gaining popularity due to their ability to conveniently and effectively monitor your home remotely. They come with a variety of features, though specifics may vary depending on the model. Some key features include capturing clear HD video footage of visitors, receiving motion detection alerts on your phone, two-way audio communication through a built-in speaker and microphone, night vision for clear visuals in low-light conditions, cloud storage options for recorded footage, often requiring a subscription, and integration with other smart home systems like lights and locks. These devices offer several advantages for homeowners. They enhance security by allowing remote monitoring, deter potential intruders with their presence, provide peace of mind knowing you can check on your property at any time, and offer the convenient feature of two-way communication with visitors. However, it's important to consider their limitations as well. They require a Wi-Fi connection to function, some models may require professional installation, and cloud storage subscriptions can add ongoing costs. Overall, smart home doorbells and cameras can be a valuable addition to your home security system, offering remote monitoring capabilities and deterring potential crime. When choosing a model, consider your specific needs and budget to find the one that best suits your requirements. Its price is $129.99. Number 2. USB microphone. USB microphones are a popular choice for anyone looking to upgrade their audio quality for activities like video conferencing, podcasting, or game streaming. These microphones offer several advantages over built-in computer mics. Plug-and-play functionality. They connect easily to your computer via a USB port, making them incredibly user-friendly. Superior audio quality. Condenser microphones, commonly used in USB mix, offer significantly better sound capture compared to built-in mix, resulting in clearer and more professional audio. Versatility. Many USB microphones come with multiple pickup patterns, such as cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. This allows you to choose the pattern that best suits your recording scenario, whether you're focusing on one speaker, capturing a group conversation, or recording instruments. Real-time monitoring. Most USB microphones have a headphone jack, enabling you to listen to your audio in real time, ensuring you're capturing the sound as intended. Adjustable gain control. This feature allows you to fine-tune the microphone's input volume, preventing distortion and ensuring optimal audio levels. While offering significant improvements, USB microphones do come with a few limitations. They require a USB port on your computer to function, and some models might benefit from additional accessories like a microphone stand for better positioning. However, their affordability and ease of use make them a cost-effective solution for significantly enhancing your audio quality in various applications. Its price is $27.99 to $31.99. Number 3. Cell phone stand, Bluetooth speaker. Combining convenience and functionality, cell phone stand Bluetooth speakers cater to users who want to enhance their phone's audio while keeping it conveniently positioned for viewing. These devices offer several benefits. Improved audio quality. They amplify the audio from your phone, providing a richer listening experience compared to the phone's built-in speakers. This is perfect for watching videos, listening to music, or attending video conferences. Convenient phone stand. The integrated stand allows you to prop your phone up at different angles, making it ideal for hands-free activities like watching videos, browsing the web, or video calls. Compact and portable design. These speakers are typically lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry around and use in various locations, whether at home, the office, on a picnic, or during travel. Affordability. Cell phone stand Bluetooth speakers are often a budget-friendly option compared to larger, dedicated speakers. However, it's important to consider their limitations as well. Limited audio quality. While they improve the sound compared to your phone, the audio quality may not match dedicated speakers, especially in terms of bass or volume. Variable battery life. Battery life can vary depending on usage and volume level. You may need to charge the speaker frequently, especially for extended use. Less suitable for large gatherings. Due to their size and power limitations, these speakers may not be powerful enough to fill a large space with sound, making them less ideal for large gatherings or parties. They are a good choice for anyone looking for a portable and affordable way to improve their phone's audio experience. Its price is $23.19. Number 4. Super Universal Socket Tools. Super Universal Socket Tools, often called multi-socket tools or adjustable wrenches, have become popular among DIY enthusiasts and homeowners for their versatility. These tools aim to simplify life by tackling various fastener shapes and sizes with a single tool. One of the main advantages is their ability to grip and turn a wide range of fasteners, eliminating the need for a whole toolbox full of specific sockets. This makes them ideal for situations where you encounter different fasteners during a project, saving time and frustration by switching between various tools. Their adjustable design allows them to adapt to different fastener sizes, further reducing the need for a large collection of individual sockets. This also makes them space-saving, a benefit for those with limited storage space. While convenient, it's important to be aware of their limitations. Super universal sockets may not offer the same level of grip and torque as dedicated sockets, especially when dealing with larger or high-torque applications. Additionally, their adjustable mechanism can be bulkier than individual sockets, making them less suitable for tight spaces. Overall, Super Universal Socket Tools offer a versatile and convenient solution for DIYers and homeowners who need to tackle a variety of jobs involving different fastener types and sizes. Its price is $9.99. So this was the video for today. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.